If bending forward feels like it's crushing your spine, and every time you try to stretch or loosen up, it just makes your low back feel worse, you're doing the exact opposite of what your spine needs to heal. The solution isn't more flexion. It's going the other way to restore extension the right way. My name is Dr. Grant Elliott, founder of RehabFix. We've helped thousands of people with low back pain, disc herniations, and sciatica fully recover through our one-on-one online coaching program. And in this episode, I'm going to walk you through a simple 3-step extension sequence that will reduce disc pressure, take stress off the nerve, and restore your low back mobility fast. First, let me explain to you what's happening and why these common stretches make you worse. The most common type of low back pain in the world is called flexion-intolerant low back pain. And this is when flexing the spine or forward pressure increases your pain. So listen up. If this is you, then you have flexion-intolerant low back pain. Usually, the longer you sit, the more you feel it. When you bend forward first thing in the morning to put socks and shoes on, that rounding of your lower back increases pressure. Or maybe standing up and bending over to try to touch your toes. That does not feel good. Bending over to pick things off the ground. And then also, if you have been sitting for a long time, you go to stand up, you feel 80 years old standing up. It's difficult to stand up straight. This is flexion-intolerant lower back pain, which means you're getting a whole lot of flexion. The result is it's difficult to bend forward. That doesn't mean you're going to get better by trying to bend forward more and trying to force the direction. It's like if one of the doors in your house won't fully open. You're not just going to shove it, right? The fix to this is just push through whatever's blocking it. No, you're going to check the hinges, figure out why it's not opening, fix that, and then the door will open. Well, your spine's kind of just like that. What causes this the most in your spine is a disc bulge or herniation. Usually this is a posterior disc bulge where when you sit for long periods in a flex position, when you bend forward, it pushes that disc material backwards, making the obstruction in your spine even greater. What this does is this often limits someone's ability to extend their spine, to go backwards. And you might be thinking, wait, but bending forward is what hurts, and I understand that. That's going to increase pressure on the disc, which increases pressure on the tissues and the nerve, causing the pain. But you're not actually limited in going that direction from a structural standpoint. You are actually limited bending backwards because that obstruction is blocking you. And that just so happens to be the direction we need to go to get that block out of the hinge and get the disc out of the way so that your symptoms resolve and your mobility is restored. Hey, real quick, I know you're struggling with pain and obviously want to fix it. So if you just text me the word pain to 317-751-9509, I will send you my free back pain fix demo. Just text that number and you can fix your pain. Thank me later. Back to the show. So here's how we begin that process. Simply lay on the ground, put your elbows under you, and push up onto your elbows while keeping your lower body totally relaxed. We can call this a Sphinx position. And the goal here is just to relax everything, breathe deeply into this, and allow your lower back to begin to restore extension. Now, for some of you, this might be uncomfortable, so I recommend taking breaks by going up and down, progressing through this repetitively. The goal being to hold it longer for a time, do more reps over a time period, and to push further and further up. This will begin the process of reducing that disc bulge, reducing that obstruction in your lower back, and starting to move it back where we want it to go to create more space. Then you can progress this by putting your hands under your shoulders and pushing up further than your elbows will allow. Once again, it might be limited, so just push as far as you can until it's comfortable. And that might be painful at first, so just kiss the pain, kiss the limitation. And what you'll notice is as you do this over time, you'll get further and further and further. The mobility will get better and better and better. And you might notice your sciatica gets less and less and less as you do this because the disc is moving off the nerve. Now last, just lay flat on the floor, hold your arms out for support, keep your leg totally straight and raise it as high as you can and alternate each side. What this is doing is now you're stimulating your glute, of course. You're also stimulating your lower back muscles, some of your deep spine muscles, because it has to work to pull your hips up off the ground. This is also promoting hip extension, so kind of like a hip flexor stretch in an active way. This puts blood in all these areas, promotes mobility in these areas, and it further promotes lumbar extension, which is the direction we want to go to continue to work on the disc. So we're getting multiple things happening, and your goal is to just progress the leg further and further over time while keeping it straight. Once again, progressing both sides. Then get back up and see how your lower back feels. Test your range of motion and see how it is different. Many of you will feel immediate relief and improved range of motion, either after one session of this or multiple sessions of this over the course of the week, but you will likely see significant improvement. And what this tells us is that we're slowly working that disc back. We're restoring the motion in the lumbar spine that we're missing. And that's amazing, but just remember, this one sequence is not the end all all be all. Yes, this can help, but obviously many of you will need a more personalized approach, and you'll need a long-term approach to ensure the results last and you can continue with your life without worry. And that's exactly what we do. So if you'd like a personalized plan that gives you the exact steps right for your situation, then just text me the word pain to 317-751-9509, and you can get a tailored step-by-step plan to permanently fix your back or sciatica issues following our centralization process. And this process helps us determine what you should be doing, what you should not be doing, and then we can build the right plan for you to get lasting results. So text me right now so you don't miss this opportunity to finally live your life pain-free. And after you text me, please like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, follow me on Instagram at RehabFix for more free daily videos and insights into my life and our clients' lives and what we're doing to help us all live pain-free. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one, and I'll see some of you in the program real soon.